Hi there, welcome to TLV Motorsport. Now I want to clean my K&N filter on the touareg, the V6 TDI. We'll open the two clamps and try to take out the filter. The filter was not cleaned for approximately a year and a half, although the car was not driving too much. I think less than 10,000 kilometers, and basically this is the first time that I'm cleaning this filter. As you can see, very dirty. We'll take it home and see what's going on. Here in the light you can see lots of dust, lots of particles, lots of leaves inside. Very dirty. The amount of air that's supposed to get inside the engine is not enough. Before I put all the cleaner itself, I would like to take as much as possible from the leaves and particles and try to do it very gently, not to hurt the filter or create big holes or something like this. Try to take everything as much as possible. When you put the cleaner on, you need it to be only with dust, that the cleaner and the water will take it off. See how much dirt coming out. All this is blocking the air coming into the engine. Amazing. Okay, we'll open the recharger K&N cleaning kit. There is the cleaner itself. This is it. And the oil that we'll put later after the filter is clean and dry. Now you want to put lots of cleaner. Don't miss any spot from all around. Soak it very good, make sure it's not being dry on the filter. Now this is after 10 minutes that I've waited, and now I'm cleaning it. Water, very gentle with the water, make sure everything is out. And now we leave it for 24 hours to dry. Look at that. Okay, 24 hours later, the filter is dry. Now we'll put the oil. Make sure you lubricate it very good. Not too much, but make sure it's all covered. Try to make it from the inside part. It means that the side that's facing the outwards and not the engine will be covered mostly with this oil. And now we'll take it back to the box, stuff it inside. Make sure it's clean. Make sure it's tight and no air can come from other side. Close the two clips. That's it, we're done.